Here I've got Cubot Max 2 and let me show you how to change a wallpaper on the following device. So at first let's open the list of all applications, slide up to do it, then pick the settings. Now find and pick display, which is here, and go to wallpaper. It's time to select the source that you would like to pick your wallpaper from. It can be one from your own photos or some wallpaper prepared by Cubot, and I will pick the second option. So here you've got the propositions. Just pick the one that you like most. Let me pick, for example, this one. Click on Set Wallpaper and finally decide if you want this picture to cover just your home screen, your lock screen, or maybe both of them. And I will pick the third option, which is home screen and lock screen. And as you can see, wallpaper has been set up successfully. So from now on, you've got brand new wallpaper and also lock screen. So both has been changed. And that is all. This is how you can quickly and easily change wallpaper in your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.